All right, what up, y'all? So, SS is back. Cool little dude. But yeah, got the antenna off. Let's see where the keys go. But it's tricky getting this thing out. So, yeah, and this light up, pretty dope. But we took this off. All of this, some 7mm bolts. There's two of them. One up there by the seatbelt thing, right there, and then there's another one over there. So took those out, dropped this down, and it's just these two push-ins. They don't come all the way down, so you pull them down a little bit, then you just got to reach in there and pull the whole liner down. But that's down. Antenna is out. It's two plugs on here. They covered up by some whatever that stuff was. Everything real sticky, but got them out. And yeah, about to wrap this thing. Satin black up top, satin black on the hood. The hood vent is already out. There's 5 10mm bolts that you reach from the bottom. Comes out in two pieces. The inside part comes out, then the top part snaps in, so snaps in these little grooves. But that's out. Everything's clean. So satin black top, satin black hood, and we're about to get on it. Y'all, so I'm back. It was late when we finished that car last night. We did the roof, the hood, the antenna, and is that it? Yeah, that was it. But it was super late. Didn't get any pictures, but he's coming back today. Next up on the list is these ACS composite side skirts. So we got to put these on today. But before we put them on, we got some matte forged carbon wrap. So we're gonna wrap these side skirts in this forged carbon. So I just got it sitting out in the sun for now, letting it heat up so we can stretch this vinyl because it's a little bit shorter than the side skirts. This is 5 feet by 3 feet, so plenty enough, sideways, because the side skirts is thin, but the actual side skirt is like 6 feet long or something, 6.5 feet. So a lot longer than this 5 feet. So letting this heat up a little bit, we should be able to stretch it and it'd be all right. Hopefully it doesn't throw off the design too much, but we're gonna see. And if it does, we might two-piece it in a couple sections since it's got this this random pattern. If we have to two-piece it with the seam, you shouldn't be able to tell the difference because there's no set pattern because everything is random. So I got this sitting up, warming up. Got some of these magnets that I finally ordered to hold this stuff up for when we start wrapping cars. So it's a pretty good investment. But yeah, so time to go ahead and get these things wiped down, cleaned off, and we're gonna try to stretch this vinyl. So round one, got the side skirt up here. Since the car is not here, I got this screwed in to some old wood I had laying around. So this way, might screw this down to these sawhorses too. But anyway, that should give me enough leverage to be able to pull this vinyl and stretch it since I'm here by myself for now. So that's done. I got some knife lifts ran across this edge, which is the bottom edge. So you shouldn't see this at all. But this is a test run. I might not need it at all, but I might be able to just cut it, hang it off and just cut it with a knife anyway, and then lay it down. But this is the test run, so we're just trying some stuff. This is the other side is what's gonna actually go up against the car, I believe. Or no, this is going up against the car, my bad. this down here is under the car, so I can just cut this and roll it up and be good. So this is what'll be up against the body of the car, or the original side skirt. So we got carbon forged vinyl. We'll go ahead and put this on here and try to stretch it. So I'm back from the GoPro, but super easy to stretch. So no problem there, no discoloration or any of that. So the stuff is not laid down all the way. So once I get this, I gotta unscrew it off of this to be able to wrap around like that. But as you can see, it stretched perfect and everything looks good. So all we gotta do now is take this thing off of the wood and wrap the bottom, like wrap around and trim it. So that worked out a lot better than I thought it would, and a lot quicker. All right, skirts are wrapped. Now it's time to lift this up and put these things on. And it's just, they didn't come with anything. So we got some rivets from another job. So all of these rivets. So yeah, everything's gonna be riveted on. Just gotta drill some holes, and yeah, that's it. Got a little addition to the sticker too. But yep, trying to clean this garage out a little bit because it's burning up out here, and we're gonna get this car in, get it lifted, and get these skirts on.